How to fix Tinder stuck on loading screen after logging in. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix Tinder stuck on loading screen after login. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If your Tinder application is stuck on the loading screen even after you're logged in, first of all, ensure that you have got a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you. If you're using Android, a suggestion I would recommend is you can just long press the Tinder app icon. Tap on the eye icon to come to app info page. This option can be found on any Android device. From here, you can scroll down to Storage tab, clear the cache files and clear the data again. So clearing the data will log you out of your account, by the way, so most likely you have to re-log in again. After that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, check if your Tinder app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. After you do all that, try to re-log into your account. Make sure that your account don't have any type of restriction that is imposed by Tinder. Hopefully one of these may have helped us solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.